Nailed it. Sweet.
Oh, nice catch, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Grab this other end for me. Yeah, right there. Go straight down. Cool bang. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
So the issue is downstream from here.
And so you see how you can see the water holding right here at the top of the pipe?
Totally.
Down below it.
Yeah, and so it's gonna be south of this.
Yeah.
This is a sub line. This is gonna Y into that 4-inch line. That 4-inch line, that 4-inch stack, is the only stack that goes out and dumps into the sewer. And so maybe about 25 feet or so, this line should drop down. It should open. We'll go ahead and plug it back up, and we'll have you guys to run the sink. And
Should flush it.
yeah,
After.
yeah, it shouldn't fill back up to this point. Everything should be flowing. We'll make sure, but I mean, it sounds like it just got real severe, and you're not the only people on this line. The people above you on the line,
Yep.
and you know, they're like, "Hey, we don't have a problem." They wouldn't know because
Right.
you're the lowest point.
Gotcha.
You know,
Yep.
no floor drain down here for this to, you know, come out.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's
The
your-
backflow prevent.
It's your sink.
Yeah.
You know, so we're gonna get you back to normal, man. It could have been a lot worse than what it was. So
Yeah. Yeah. Agreed.